Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick overall comparison about these two password manager platforms, which is NordPass and Bitwarden. So I'm going to create a quick overview about these two platforms, the strength and the weakness of the platform, together with the overall conclusion about these two platforms to help you make an informed decision about these two password manager platforms. So to get started with a quick overview, NordPass is a secured cloud-based password manager developed by the NordVPN team, designed to ease the use and smooth syncing and a strong encryption. Thinking about the Bitwarden on the other side, which is an open source password manager trusted for its transparency, robust security, and availability suitable for individual and team together with enterprise. And here's a quick analysis about the strength and the weakness of NordPass. So talking about the strength, it has a zero knowledge encryption and a biometric login together with a clear modern UI with the seamless device syncing. It also offer password health tools and a data breach monitoring. On the other side, which is the weakness, no offline mode or local storage option. Then the free plan only support one device at a time, and also less customizable than Bitwarden, which is all these mentioned are the drawback for the NordPass. Now, talking about Bitwarden, which is I'm going to analyze the strength about this platform. So, talking about the strength of this the platform, which is Bitwarden, it's an open source with a regular security addict. It also has an excellent free plan and a very low cost premium option for users, and offer advanced features like self-hosting and command line tools. Talking about the weakness, the interface is less modern with a NordPass, may feel technical for casual users, and some premium features required annual setup. And here's my overall conclusion. So if you want a published, user-friendly password manager with a strong cloud base and a brand trust, just go for NordPass. If those are your priority, just go for NordPass. Then if you want a value open source transparency, advanced security protocol control, and unbeatable pricing, just go for Bitwarden. So let me know in the comment section which of these two platforms will be your best option. Thanks.